So we are back with another Displate here. Check it. This is in celebration once again of their birthday. They have some really amazing options for posters. And so we were very happy to ship us this amazing Star Trek Textra poster in celebration of Next Generation. Look at this Enterprise. It looks amazing. As always, it comes with your seal and magnet, wall cleaner, and that gives you some really good options for being able to install this on your wall. Let's open this up real quick. We can show you a little bit more of the texture. I just think this thing looks amazing. I love the texture, specifically also on like the asteroids. Actually, meteors. Asteroids, right? The way the ship just pops out. Do the two different levels of paint and the feel for it. The windows are recessed or raised depending on the shadowing. It's just really, really amazing. So let's go take this and install this on the wall. We'll be right back. While that was a limited print, and unfortunately you cannot get any more of it on the website, they have so many other different and amazing posters for you to get, whether you're a huge fan of Star Trek or pretty much any fandom. There's just so many options and it's really cool. But keep your eye peeled always for the next limited posters, because you never know when you might want to get it and it might be gone later. Thank you so much for watching. Pick up your Displates, put a link down below, and we will see you guys next time.